Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today's specimen is going to be this little Chinese aftermarket carburetor for a Briggs and Stratton. This one just happens to be the 498261 carburetor. And what I want to go over with you is whenever you put a new carburetor on and you get everything hooked up, and you press the primer bulb, and the primer bulb does not squirt fuel up through the emulsion tube right there. 99% of the time, the cause of the primer not priming is going to be this gasket right here that mounts on the carburetor. Or actually, this fits inside of your air cleaner base. Now, if you put it all together and you torque your screws to spec and you press the primer bulb and it still doesn't prime, one of two things is going on. The primer base, that the air filter that mounts to the carburetor, that's going to be warped from over tightening the screws. However, you can overcome that little bit of warpage by installing two of these gaskets right here. I've done that before and it works great. If you put two, don't put three, because it's just overkill. If you put two gaskets stacked on top of each other and you torque it to spec and it still doesn't prime, check the obvious, make sure you got fuel in it, but you'll have to replace that air filter base. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to throw this little bit of information in there to you. I know this will help some of you guys out. This has been an ongoing issue in the Briggs and Stratton forums about it not priming, and this is probably the most common issue. So, guys, if you have any questions, you let me know. I am the More Medic One, and guys, we'll see you on the next one.